Hey there, it's Clementine. Want to learn how to make Robin, Batman's most favorite sidekick? This is what you'll need. To learn how to make the pieces, you can check that video. Let's go! We'll start off by making the base. We will assemble the first 3 rows together. Take 2 green pieces and 1 yellow piece and assemble them like this. Make 16 of these. Now assemble the units all together. I like to stack them 4 by 4. The next row is red. The last row of the body is red. Shape it. And here's the body. For the neck, we will make an inverted row. So instead of inserting the pieces this way, you will insert them that way. We start with 3 peach pieces. And the rest of the row is red. For the head, we go back to normal rows. Add 4 peach pieces. And the rest of the row is black. Okay, so this one is not very nice. I will replace it. Now add 5 peach pieces. The rest of the row is black. Now add 6 peach pieces. And the rest of the row, you guessed it, is black. For the next row, we use only black pieces to make his mask. Now for the eyes, we will add 2 white pieces. So the first one will go right here. Add 2 black pieces. Add the second white piece. And the rest of the row is black. The next row is full black. And the last row is black. All right, now let's do the arms and the legs. For the arms, take a green piece, make a crease right here, and then tuck the bottom point in, like this. And we'll do the same thing with that point. So make a crease and tuck in. Do that a second time. To attach the arms, you want to count from this black piece, then insert the arm right here. Same thing on the other side. Black piece, insert right here. For the legs, take a black piece, wrap it around your finger like this and squash that part. Repeat a second time. To insert the legs, use that piece as a reference, then go all the way down, and this goes right here. Now count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guess who's coming soon? Yes, Batman himself. Until next time, happy folding! 2 green pieces and 1. Ooh. Stay there. Now that we've got our base, now that we have our base, oops, oh my goodness, I'm missing here?